Welcome to Study Loop.
So in this question, a Pitot static probe measures the difference between static pressure and stagnant pressure for a subsonic airplane. So the speed of the airplane, the speed and the flight Mach number has to be found out. So here also we have to consider certain assumptions. First assumption being that the air is an ideal gas with constant specific heat ratio. Second is that the stagnation process is isentropic. So when we see the analysis of this question, we understand that the stagnation pressure of the air at specified condition is PO equals to P plus delta P, that is close to 54 plus 16, and that is 70 kilopascal. So then PO upon P equals to 1 plus k minus 1 ma square upon 2, and when we substitute we get the value to be, that is ma, we have to find out the ma, and ma is 0.620. Now from this one, the speed of sound we have to find out, right? The speed of sound is equals to c is equals to root of krt now, and that would be 320.7 meter per second. Now, third thing that we put on is velocity that we have to see. V equals to ma into c, and that is 199 meter per second. So these are the requisite answers that we require. Thank you. I hope you understood.